You've used your mag saw for years. It's always been there for you. But maybe some of you may be getting some sparks flying or kind of a smelly electrical burn. Maybe it's not working all the time. Maybe it only works when it wants to. We're gonna figure out what the problem is, and it's pretty easy. That's either your brushes. If they look fine, then it's probably your armature. So your armature is a relatively cheap fix, way cheaper than a new saw. So let's get into it and I'll show you just how easy it is to change out your armature. Okay, so we are going to take the back bolts off first. There's 4 main ones in the back, and then 1 more on the side, and then we'll take the brushes out. All right, now that we have those bolts out, we're going to want to take the brushes out on both sides. Okay, now you should just be able to pull the back handle off. So we're going to take this big cap off on the front, and the oil will leak, so have a rag ready. Now we're going to get this nut and bearing off. Once you take the bolt off, you want to hold the armature in the back here. Hold it tight so you can loosen it. So if you're holding the ratchet here, you can just twist the armature loose. Just pull the armature back out. And normally there's an O-ring here, but sometimes it stays in. So in this case, it stayed in the housing here. So we get our new armature. Here's that O-ring. I'm gonna put it on the new one. The new ones do not come with the O-ring, so make sure you take it off your old one. So a little trick that Dawn taught us is to hold the blade while you're twisting the armature on, and that will help the grooves line up so that your armature is in correctly. Put our cap back on. Now, when we're going to put the back end back on, there's going to be a black spring in the back there that you don't want to fall out. So make sure it's in its right space. So we're going to put the back handle on, get us all screwed in there. Okay, now get our last bolt in back here. All right, there you have it, brand new armature. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, mmtoolparts. If you need a new armature or any replacement parts for your Skilsaw, be sure to check out mmtoolparts.com. Bye!